happy birthday to all the celebrants of March. May the Lord continue to use you and bless your life as you go to your journey in another year to come, another year to bless, another year to conquer the victory that God has given in your life. May continue to serve the Lord in His will and His purpose in your life. May the Lord bless your family and all your deeds, and may He continue to abide in you. He said, you are the hiding place and a secret place. There is always joy in His presence. And when He gives you strength to conquer everything that God has given you, may the Lord be with you always as you go for the year in your life, in your plans, and your ministry. Happy birthday to Sister Josie and to Sister Amy. May the Lord continue to bless your life. God bless you all.
Once again has come your birthday. Once again the time is here. With a loving gift from Jesus, He has given you one more year. Happy time your birthday. Happy time is here. With a loving gift from Jesus, He has given you one more year. Happy time your birthday. Happy time is here. With a loving gift from Jesus, He has given you one more year. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sister Josie and Sister Amy. More birthdays to come. God bless you always. And patuloy tayo na mananampalataya sa ating Panginoon. Never give up. Once again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sister Amy and Sister Josie.
Ha? Meron pa?
We love you and God love you and God bless you all, sisters.
Birthdays to come.
Bakit na lang ako? Ano ba? Hindi namin alam kung ano sasabihin eh. Dami ko na.
Hi, May. Dumaan na naman ang isang taon. And here comes again to celebrate your very special day with the Lord. Tumatanda na rin ang panahon. Tumatanda na rin tayo. Pero sabi nga nila, it's just a matter of addition in numbers, but not on the physical look. Anyway, life is so short. Kaya enjoy life to the max until you can. Pero itong tandaan mo, at huwag mo itong kakalimutan, na manatiling nakayapak sa lupa ang dalawa mong paa. And be humble of yourself, because the Lord God will lift up for those who humble themselves. Ang wish ko lang sa iyo for your birthday ay, of course, long and healthy life. And follow your desire, but remain a servant of the Lord. Iyon ang napaka-importante, na laging maniwala sa ating Panginoon, believe in Him, and have faith in Him. Happy birthday. Tayong dalawa pala ni Sister Josie. Happy birthday sa inyong dalawa. May our God blesses you both happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Maligayang bati, maligayang bati, maligayang bati sa'yo. Happy birthday, sis! Happy birthday! Wishing you all the best. Stay blessed and humble. God bless you all. I miss you all. Bye-bye!
Okay, go. 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 Happy birthday, sis Ami.
Happy birthday, sis Ami. Josie Lamos. Sa lahat ng mga birthday celebrant, happy birthday!